Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you class 6 English. Now our syllabus is, you know that is our PA2 syllabus. This is the new chapter. Two part is already over. Introduction, one part of the explanation is also over. Even the unit is also new on the Indian street. Right? From this chapter, yesterday I also explained you that what will you learn? That we learn about our customs, our traditions, how in ancient time and which are the tradition in some of the states still is working, right? Somewheres the drama, street drama, it means in villages, street drama, in Gujarat side, Bhavai, in some areas, Bhavais are also playing, then Karnataka, Maharashtra, West Bengal, they are performing what? Puppet shows, right? So these are the traditions that we have from our country. Now, yesterday I gave you the information about road puppet, sorry, not road puppet, glove puppets. Now what is the glove puppet? Now that the puppets made from the wood, right? And they have to wear the clothes, right? The puppets covered with the beautiful colorful costumes and clothes, and then after they have to twisting their fingers and thumbs, and then after they're performing the arts, they have to perform on the base of Ramayana, Mahabharata and some another stories, right? Even says that it's known as a Pava Kathakali. Now what do you mean by the Pava Kathakali? So the people, it means the puppet show starts in ancient time. It means around the 5th century BCE, and it is an ancient art, right? And through the puppets we can presenting our folklores and folk tales. Here even also says that glove puppetry. Now what is it? That it is a famous in Kerala around, right, 5th century, but the people who are living in Andhra Pradesh and they migrated to Kerala in 18th century, they are presenting this puppet show and they have to still working in their puppetries. Now the further portion I will teach you. So Baban, the new point is road puppets. Now you have questions, sir, what is the road puppet? Now it's not ROAD road, it is a ROD road. Now in road puppet, what exactly? That the bamboo puppet fixed on the single long road, right? There is one single road, long sticks of the bamboo, and the puppet is fixed on it and made visible on the high platform. It means the person who stand on the high platform and they have to make the visible. There is one platform, one type of a stage they have to organize, and they have to perform with the help of them, and since a very high platform, almost the height of the puppeteers, right? The height of the puppeteers. Now we all know that what do you mean by the puppeteers? A person who control the puppets, and they are dying art of the West Bengal. It is a dying art form of the West Bengal. Now road puppet is famous into the West Bengal. Traditional road puppets are known as Yampuri also. They are known as a Yampuri in Bihar, and these puppets are made of the wood and a single piece of each. It is made of from the wood, and they have a no joints. It is single piece, single wood. They have to make the puppet. There is a no joint. Now in glove puppets they have to make the wooden hands and head, but there is a joint. But here there is a no joint. They have to carve the one puppet from any single wood, and only that perform, and only that puppet they have to use. And controlling these puppets require the more skills, and these puppets, if you want to require control, that time we need lots of skill. So Baban, take your place, it's a nearly time, said father. Now nearly time, it means what? Now it is the time for the performance, so you should take your place. They were a small group of Putul Nach, right? Putul Nach. Now the question, what is Putul Nach? Now Putul Nach is what? That is a dancing doll puppeteers from a village in West Bengal, right? It was famous dancing doll puppeteers into the West Bengal. Baban took his place behind the head-high bamboo curtains, right? There is one back side, there is a head-high bamboo curtains, and he took his place. So, where did Baban take his place? Sorry students, here the word is missing. Where did Baban take his place, right? So, he take his place where? So, he took his place behind the head-high bamboo curtain, and what did he check? So, he checked the bamboo socket tied firmly to his wrist. His wrist, it means we know that this is the wrist, and he checked that this bamboo puppet is tightly to his wrist. Very carefully, he picked up a long bamboo rod which had a bamboo puppet as its end. I told you that. From one side he have to control, and another side of the rod they have to tie one bamboo. It means it's a stick, and very carefully we have to take this thing. He placed the rod into the socket and arranged the folds of the costume to hide the rod, right? What did he do? Very carefully he arranged the socket and costume also that hide the rod. Now this hide, it means to hide the rod. It means there is a rod, and he hide the rods under the costume. It means he don't want to presenting that I have a rod, right? He control only his fingers and wrist, but the stick, whatever the rod is there, he hide behind the clothes. The 1.5 meter puppet of Hanuman. Now, who was Hanuman? We all know that he is an Indian god, right? We can say is that he is a monkey god in Ramayana, and still who helped the rescue of the Rama's wife Sita from to Lanka, and which was ruled by Ravan and the Demon king, right? Hanuman, we all know that he is a very well-known god, right? Who helped to Rama to rescue the wife, his Sita, right? So all these things we know that. And here says that the puppet is, what is the height of the Hanuman puppet? 1 meter, 1.5 meter, right? Stood up tall and strong above the platform. He was stood and strong above the platform. Baban tugged at the action rods connected to the hands of the puppet. Now he start to perform. It means Baban tugged the action rods connect to the hands of the puppet. Action, what are the actions you have to presenting? He connected this thing. Immediately, Hanuman seemed to be thumping his mighty chest. Right? Mighty chest. Thumping his mighty chest. It means what? Now, thumb on the chest and jumping from this and ready to go for war. It means he was very ready to go for war, and he jumped from according to his orders, according to Rama's order. Today's show was Hanuman's journey to Lanka to find Sita. So, what did Baban do first of all? So, Baban do what? That he checked everything, then very carefully he picked up to the long bamboo rod which had bamboo puppet its end, and he placed the rod into the socket and arranged the folds of the costume, right? What are the folds of the costume? You have to arrange it because you want to hide the rod under the costume. And what was today's show? So today's show is what? That Hanuman's journey to Lanka to find Sita. Now, Baban was very excited. Why was Baban excited? Because first time he was playing. Now, playing means what? Controlling the dolls as well as giving the voice for it, right? The first time he controlling or playing the lead character. Previously playing but minor character, but first time he was playing main character as a Hanuman. That's why he was very excited. He cleared his throat. Now he cleared his throat, so the sound comes very properly and the audience will also understand properly. The pipes began to play and the drums pounded out a hearty welcome. Right? The pipes began to play. Now what do you mean by the pipes? Right? Roads, the sounds, of the what we can say is that flutes at start, and drums pounded out to the heartily welcome, and they have to playing the drums also, and it's give to them welcome to the audience. Now you will see our performance. Now today's performance is Hanuman's journey to find Lanka, to find Sita. A loud cheer went up from the audience, followed by the loud applauses. There was a, when he performed the shows, and the audience are also happy. They gave the long applauses, they gave the cheer them, and due to this way, they have to success. They presented their performance very successfully. Then comes shadow puppets. Now, what do you mean by the shadow puppets? So the bright oil lamp cast a lovely glow on the semi-transparent white cloth, right? So we all know that when our annual day was performed, that time there is one shadow dance is there regarding what? To save the environment, right? Control the pollution. We have to perform one shadow dance there. Now what is in shadow dance? We have to just frame the shadow, the figures of, right, outline of the main figures we have to see. We cannot see his eyes and ears, nothing. Here same way, but what? They have to presenting with the help of the oil lamp cast, right? So here the question is, what is shadow puppet? So shadow puppet is what? That is a bright oil lamp cast a lovely glow on a semi-transparent white cloth. There is a semi-transparent white cloth, and they have to lovely glow, and very beautifully they are to presenting. The flat leather puppets pressing against the screen appeared the colorful silhouettes and enchanted the viewers. Silhouette means the dark shapes of the shadow. Right, I told you that they have to just only the dark shape of the shadow we have to presenting. Here they have to present what? Colorful. It means flat leather puppets is there. They have to present with the help of the flat leather puppets here. See that in your picture, right? See that there is a one white color. They are to presenting flat leather puppets. Here the oil lamp, right? And what is that? That they have to presenting with the help of the flat leather puppets, and they have to pressing against the screen. Now they have to touch to the screen. Now in our shadow dance, what? We have to just make the darkness behind the curtain. We have to make the focus of the lights, and the performers presenting the performance in front of the light. So the reflection of the dance we can see on the white curtain. Here is that what? The light behind them did the trick. Why did it perform? Because of the light, and behind them it's present the trick. Preet played the harmonium with great confidence. So who played harmonium? So Preet played the harmonium with great confidence. He know that I am an extraordinary player of the harmonium. The shadow puppets strung together on a rope performed the final dance of the celebration to finish the performance. Right? What did it say? Strung together on the rope, and they have to perform the final dance of the celebration of finish the performance. Whatever the performance is there, now they are to presenting final dance of that performance. The shadow was a big hit. It was a very big hit, said Kishore excitedly. Why did Kishore excited? Why was Kishore excited? Why? Because he says that it was very big hit. Another thing that he never thought that he would learn so much about the art of Karnataka and Togalu Gombe Atta, right? Togalu Gombe Atta. He cleared with a big smile on his face, because first time he also saw, and he never thought that there is a rich customs and tradition in my state, and I think I could manage harmonium after learning a keyboard. Chuckle Preet. Chuckle means very smiley. He gave say that, and he says that means Kishore say Preet say what? That he did not think, he had not think that he could manage. It means Preet could manage harmonium after he learned a keyboard. Now harmonium and keyboard, what? We all know that both are in music, both are the musical instrument. Even says that what? I love the red, blue, green and black colors of the puppet, said Sanika. So what did Sanika says? She said that she loved the red, blue, green and black colors of the puppets. Even also says that the same vegetable colors are used in the shadow puppets of my state of Maharashtra. Right? Same vegetables colors, whatever the colors we have to use and whatever the vegetables colors we are used in state of Maharashtra, same colors of the puppets we are using into the shadow puppet. Oh, what are they called? Asked Kishore. Kishore said, what are they called? So, Sanika says that they are popular in area called Ratnagiri, and we all know that Ratnagiri, it is a area of Maharashtra. So says that it is a famous and popular in one area, that is the name of the area is Ratnagiri. They are known locally as Chambadiyache Bahulya. So they known as what? Chambad Yach Bahulya. Right? So what is the local name of shadow puppets in Maharashtra? So the name of the Maharashtra, what? Chambad Yach Bahulya. It is the local name in Maharashtra. And what are the performance about? Asked Kishore. So Kishore asked that, okay, you says that the shadow puppets we have to perform. So what are the performance of that? What is the main theme of your shadow puppets? So says that, well, it's the same, I suppose, mostly from the epics like Ramayana. So what do you mean by the epic? Long poems, right? So says what? Same, that epics like the Ramayana, but with the folk tunes as a background music. We are to presenting same thing, Ramayana, Mahabharata, but we are to also playing as a music. We have also play a music of the folk tunes. Said Sanika, we really have such a rich tradition in our country, don't we? Now say students, here your grammar point is there. Don't we? We really have such a rich tradition in our country, don't we? Right? That we have a great tradition. We have such a rich tradition in our country. She said, and as they all walked out of the green room, and then after they walked out from the green room. So students, here are the chapter is over. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.